बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। आज के इस लेक्चर में हम डिस्कस करेंगे प्रपोजिशन से रिलेटेड इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ जो कि पीपीएससी एफपीएससी वन पेपर के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, उनके रूल्स, क्योंकि ये किसी भी पेपर में इंग्लिश के हिसाब से बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। प्रपोजिशन से रिलेटेड कुछ एमसीक्यूज़ आती हैं हमेशा। सो फर्स्ट वन इज़ ही वाज मोमेंटरली डिफ्लेक्टेड डैश दिस ट्रेन ऑफ थॉट बाय अ नॉक ऑन द डोर। डैश दिस ट्रेन है आगे, तो यहाँ पे फ्रॉम आएगा, फ्रॉम दिस ट्रेन। द रूल्स वर रिजिड इन प्रिंसिपल, समटाइम्स डिपार्टेड डैश इन प्रैक्टिस, डिपार्टेड फ्रॉम इन प्रैक्टिस आएगा। But the splendid occasion reminded him bitterly of the opportunities he had himself been deprived dash he had himself been deprived of आएगा। After being cut off from the main party for 2 weeks, they began to despair dash rejoining their companions. They began to despair of rejoining. They could not be deviated dash what they believed to be their duty. They could not be deviated from what they believed. As boys, आप में से जो लोग चैनल पर न्यू है काइंडली इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। जिन्होंने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक कीजिएगा और सबसे शेयर कीजिएगा, ये आपका भी फ़ायदा होगा इसमें। As boys, we had various ways of making the history professor distress dash the subject of the lesson. Distress from the subject आएगा, in on with नहीं आएगा बल्कि from आएगा। You may dislike having to depend upon him, but it will be some time before you can dispense dash with help together, dispense with his help together, altogether आएगा। The upper classes may be dispossessed dash their special powers and privileges by a slow process of evolution, dispossessed of their special powers आएगा यहाँ पे। The main cylinder will have to be drained dash before I can change the fittings, drained off आएगा or double F off. He looked casually to left and right, and when the flow of traffic had eased dash east of आएगा crossed the road. The strength of the European community emanates dash the prosperous economies of relatively few member states. Community emanates with नहीं आएगा, around नहीं आएगा, to नहीं आएगा, emanates from the prosperous आएगा। I apologize for encroaching dash, for encroaching upon your valuable time आएगा, but I should appreciate your advice in an important matter। तो यहाँ पे upon जो है वो correct preposition है। The state was so encumbered dash debts that it was not worth buying। encumbered with debts आएगा, debts किसे कहते हैं? कर्ज को कहते हैं। That a man should become so engrossed dash a pursuit that he risks his life on a mountain needs explanation। engrossed in a pursuit आएगा। He had become a sort of sub-editor, interested dash hiring other members of staff, interested with hiring। The young women were escorted dash the court by their solicitor, escorted from the court। After a lengthy inquiry, the management was exonerated and dash and any responsibility from the fire that destroyed the factory, from any responsibility आएगा। Time has expunged dash his memory. Time has expunged from his memory all recollections of these terrible events। Name neatly fended dash a thrust at his chest of OFF off आएगा, यहाँ पे correct option है। No, he cannot go. I have not finished dash him yet. I have not finished with him yet। Do not flinch dash the facts. Do not flinch from the facts। Do not rest on your success. Follow dash your success and start looking for new markets। Follow up your success आएगा। Bandits raided the Habib Bank in Lahore this morning and got away dash over 10 million rupees। Got away with over 10 million rupees। If it is very urgent, I may be able to got hold dash the doctor, hold of the doctor for you during the lunch hour। It was amazing that preparations for the landing were got wind dash by the enemy, were got wind of by the enemy। Raza has to get off dash people because he cannot get on with them। Get off with people आएगा। If the fire station had been got on dash at once, if the fire station had been got on to at once, the hotel might have been saved। I hope it's clear to all of you। Thank you very much। आज की वीडियो में इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफिज़।